Here's an opinion that's going to annoy a whole lot of people. You don't need to learn AI in order to understand how to adopt it in your business. You don't need to know what neural networking is or any of those intimidating terms that are always associated with AI. This belief that you need to learn AI before you implement it in your business or your day-to-day life is what's holding so many people back. And this is the reason why your competitors might pull ahead of you in 2026 if you're not willing to take the chance before feeling ready for it. I'm Aryan, I'm an AI consultant, and as an AI consultant, the most valuable thing I do is not even technical. I'd argue that most business owners do not need to be technical or need to hire someone technical, but they need to understand what their exact role is in order to adopt AI into their business. And that's what this video is for. Your role in adopting AI and 3 questions that matter infinitely more than any technical knowledge if you want to go through with this. Point number 1, you already run things that you don't completely understand. You drive a car without understanding the combustion engine. You use the banking system without understanding the settlement system behind it. Then why are you intimidated with AI? Because AI, as of yet, has been framed as this intimidating technology that you need to completely understand before you use it. And who framed it like that? People who are selling courses online. This entire framing is to serve them, not to serve you. Business has always been about managing capabilities. It has always been about directing capability in order to get a certain output. If you stop seeing AI as this unattainable technology that you must learn, and you rather see it as a very capable and smart employee, your entire intimidation of the technology will go away. Point number 2 is the question that you really need to know the answers to. So, I've made it clear that your job is not learning or understanding the roots of AI. So, what is your job exactly? Your job is exactly what it has always been, being a business owner. In order to get started with AI adoption, you need to ask yourself, what is the problem in my business right now? As in, where is my time and where is my money being wasted? You need to know what is the solution you want for that problem, or at least what looks good in that particular situation. And you need to ask yourself, what is the worth of implementing that solution? What is the worth of fixing this problem? So let's say you have an employee that works 60 hours a week on replying to emails and following up with cold email batches. If you can automate that task with AI and save those 60 hours weekly, then what is the worth of that time saved to your business? Now, notice something. None of these questions have anything to do with your technical skill. These 3 questions are always going to be present in case of AI adoption, and all 3 of these are based on business judgment. Point 3 is what adopting AI in today's world actually looks like. Because the tech is out there, and you might hear adopting AI and you might imagine coding screens and whatnot. But what you need to look at it is through the lens of a business owner. If you have ever trained an employee, an intern, you already have all the skills that you need in order to adopt AI in 2026. You just need to provide it with clear instructions. It gives you an output. You review the output, you give better instructions, and it repeats again and again and again until your desired output has been achieved. And once it has been achieved, you do not even need to stay in the loop anymore. You have essentially created a skill for the AI that it can use in order to repeatedly do a manual and repetitive task. Coming on to the fourth point, the real risk is not misunderstanding AI, it's misunderstanding your business. The thing is, you cannot do anything about the technology that's being developed in the industry of AI. What you can do is you can leverage it to the most of its capability. Most business owners use AI and say that they were not satisfied with the outputs. The problem is they never gave it a defined task or defined tools or a clear workflow as to how to achieve an output. If you do not have these things clear, then you can be the most technically superior founder in the world, but you would still fail using AI because you do not have the underlying information of your own business. And this is the reason why the answer to the question, which course in AI should I do, will always be none, because first and your foremost priority needs to be getting a complete understanding of what is it that your business does, what are the day-to-day workflows, what are the day-to-day tasks, what are the tools you have access to, what are the outputs that you want. Expertise in your business is your asset that you can leverage against AI. My fifth point to make in this video is to give you the permission to start small. I need you to stop worrying about learning and I need you to start doing. If you spend all your time learning these things and you spend none of your time implementing or at least having a practical understanding of what this thing is doing for you, then you're going to fail at it ultimately. 72% of the businesses around the world are already adopting AI, and the growth is going at 83% year by year. If you are stuck being scared that I don't know enough about this, then you are going to be left behind eventually by all your competitors. Stop worrying. Get a small task that you can automate with AI with the very basic understanding that you have of it. Learn how to use it eventually and see how it transforms your business. Do not go for a big transformation at once. Just make one automation at a time. If you want this mental block removed, then here's the next practical step. Comment roadmap and I'll send you the exact opportunity matrix and its exact decision framework along with the questions that you need to answer in order to start with adopting AI.